Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to trade cryptocurrencies on Libertex, step-by-step guide. So first you need to unlock your phone and launch the Libertex trading app on the screen. Tap on the Libertex app, and if you have not logged into your Libertex app, you can simply log in with your email or phone number and password. And after that, on the bottom left you can see there's a markets or trading from the bottom menu. Tap on the markets, and over here you need to select cryptocurrencies from the available markets, and in the top you can see there's a trending favorites. Slide a little bit until you find the crypto. Tap on the crypto, and here popular options include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple. Select anything you want from here. And after you tap onto this option, check the price chart, trends and market data before making a decision. You need to use technical indicators like RSI, MACD or moving averages by simply moving it, and decide whether you want to buy if you expect the price to rise, or sell short if you expect the price to fall, and tap buy or sell to execute the trade. Simply select sell, and after you're done, tap on the sell and your trade will appear in open trades in your portfolio. You can track your trades performance in open trades. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and comment down below if you have any trouble on trading cryptocurrencies on Libertex, and we will reach out to you very soon.